Are you interested in getting started with essential oils? Today I'm going to share with you a great oil that's perfect to add to your collection as a new essential oil user. So today I'm going to tell you all about peppermint essential oils. We'll talk about its uses and benefits, the science behind how it works, and some safety precautions you should take when you are using this oil. One of the ways you can use peppermint essential oil is to relieve pain. It creates a very cooling sensation on your skin, which is really soothing to sore muscles or achy joints. My fellow aromatherapist, Shyla at Simply Earth, loves to use it for headaches. She dilutes it and uses a little bit to massage on the back of her neck and place on her temples. And it's really cooling and soothing and can help relieve pain associated with a headache. Peppermint essential oil also helps ease congestion. You can put it in a diffuser and let it diffuse across the room, and as you smell it, it'll help break up congestion, like if you have seasonal allergies or a cold. Another way you can use peppermint essential oil is if you get mosquito bite, you can dilute it and apply it to the insect bite to help soothe itchiness. If you're worried about the spread of germs, you can use peppermint essential oil as a natural cleaner. It kills germs and fights bacteria so that you know when you're using it to clean. If you are struggling with feeling fatigued in the middle of the day or when you wake up, you can use peppermint essential oil to help wake you up and become more alert. Another great thing about peppermint is that it has a really fun minty aroma that's great to use with lip balms and all kinds of other recipes. Peppermint's sharp, minty aroma blends well with oils like bergamot and basil. If you are looking to use peppermint essential oil in a recipe, you can check out our blog where we have a whole list of oils that blend really well with peppermint. So let's talk a little bit about how we know peppermint essential oil works. The two main naturally occurring chemicals in this oil are L-menthol and L-menthone. These chemicals are known to help relieve pain, break down congestion, and energize you. For more ways that these chemicals work, check out the blog post. Here are some things to remember when using peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil has a cooling sensation on the skin. You always want to dilute it before you use it. And you want to dilute it at 5% dilution rate or lower. If you use it at a higher rate than that, peppermint essential oil can actually cause a burning sensation and be irritating to your skin. This oil is safe to use with kids ages 10 and up. Avoid using peppermint essential oil around cats and dogs, as peppermint essential oil is toxic to them and can cause some negative effects. If you decide to diffuse it around your pet, make sure you leave the door open so that they can leave the room if the aroma distresses them. For great recipes using peppermint essential oils, check out the blog post in the description box. Thanks for watching!